Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Markela Tarrance, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you came back. So today I will be doing a review, an instant ponytail review on the Inches Up in the 16-inch body wave hair. So this is what it looks like. So it has a clip, and this is like a natural wave. I might have to put the right description down because I believe I'm saying the wrong type of wave, so bear with me. But this is what it looks like. So it has like a Velcro like I don't know what it's called, but it's like Velcro. So it's Velcro like right here. So basically you're supposed to like wrap it around, and it's supposed to go like this. And you just wrap it around. And for one, if y'all have not already checked out their website, please be sure to do that. I will also drop that down in the description below. And I already went ahead and I slicked my hair back just so that I can make this like a super quick and easy video, because this is like super quick and easy. So I am going to turn around and I'm going to let you all see how I record and how I install this into my head. Alrighty guys, so that is how you install the Inches Up in the instant ponytail. Once again, this is a 16-inch. I will drop the wave down below because I feel like I keep saying the wrong thing. So if you have not already, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified when I drop my weekly videos. Once again, thank you so much boys and beauties for coming to visit me. I cannot wait to see you all next time, and I love you. Have a good one. Bye.